Hello folks. So I am going to explain a new heat app which is available right now on Indian dashboard. It is local query identification, the English one. You can find the guideline from here. You can report a technical issue here, and this is my ID and this is the lease expiry. The typical UI of every heat app on UHRS. So uh, the main objective of this heat app is to find whether this query, this one, has local intention or not. Like, is this query specify an explicit location? I can see that chip shortage hits global automakers. This is an information query and information seeking query, or you can say a news query. So, and this query location is El Paso, Texas. Someone from this location put this query in Bing, and you have to find the intent, whether the intent is local or not. So there are two questions here. You can find the query intent description, but this description, you can read this description to understand in a better way the query. But that doesn't mean that this is the only intent. It may happen that this query has multiple intents. So to research for this query, to research for the intent, you can find, you can just click on Google result or Bing result, and you can inspect the results. You can find, and you just need to understand the intent. So from these results, if you study minutely these results, you can find that this is an information seeking query, and there is no explicit location is mentioned here, like chip shortage hits global automakers India. This kind of query is not there. So the first question is, do you think the user want results from an explicit specified location? So if there is geographical location mentioned here, or geopolitical or geographical location mentioned here, or city name mentioned here, or zip code mentioned here, or we can say Eiffel Tower, which is explicitly mentioned the location, because we know that Eiffel Tower can only be found in France, Paris. So it is called POI, point of interest. So you can find useful information from the guideline. So I'm just explaining you. So I can see that in this query I can't find any explicit location, so it is no. Whether it has an implicit location, that means whether the result will be different for different parts of this globe. Like, if someone from India query this, then whether that is different if someone from USA puts this query in Bing. Obviously not. Obviously not, because it is an information seeking query. It is universal. It is not location dependent. So for this you can put, so there is no implicit location mentioned also. So you can just click on the no button and just put submit. And if you have anything, any more to say, or anything want to clear, then you can put your comment here. So this is the heat app, local query identification. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment section. If you have, if you want to share this video, you can share it. If you like this video, click on the like button, and for more information videos, informative videos like this, you can subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day. So here we can see that the goal of this heat app is to find whether the results page, like this page, Instagram page of this actor, uh, whether this page satisfied by the query. That means someone from Tamil Nadu entered this query, and your judgment is to judge whether this result page satisfies the user. I can see that this page satisfies the user. Now, is it fully satisfied the user? Obviously, it is the exact Instagram profile of an actor from South Indian movie. The name is this, and you can find that the name is this. If you want to, sometimes if you want to research about this query, you can research by this Bing result and Google result, and you just first research the query. You just first understand the query, that what is the intent of the query, by inspecting the Bing results and Google result, and after that you have to judge this result page. If you can't see this result page, you can open in a new tab and the new tab will be open. Okay, and unable to judge for in wrong language, like it is in some other language, like in Hindi. Though you know Hindi, but your marketplace is USA. So for USA, the Hindi is foreign language, in wrong language. Page that doesn't load, if this page is blank or unable to load, if there is an adult content of this in this page, if their login is required to view the article, or harmful content like spam or pirated material or child abuse like this, then you just need to click on this respective option and see, and just need to submit, and you can add your comment also here. Now it may happen that this query partially meet, that some of the user of this query may find this result satisfying. So in that case, somewhat meets will be chosen. And if it is totally irrelevant with this query, this result page is totally irrelevant with this query, then you can say, you can click on this does not meet. Now, first of all, you need to minutely read the guidelines. You can find various examples here and the task description here. Okay, so you can reload the uh, this page. You can report an empty page here also. So I can see that in this query, this is an Instagram profile of this actor. You can research by yourself, and after that I can see that it is the intended result page, so it will meet most of the user. So I choose meets, and I need to submit the, click on the submit button, and that's all. I will get paid for this. So if you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box. Just like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for your time and have a good day.